Look at these images. Don't they look stunning? Do you also want to generate professional-looking AI images, but without paying for an expensive subscription like Midjourney? Well, I got the perfect video for you. Hey Lemonheads, today I am going to show you how you can generate amazing AI images for free. I will show you how you can install Stable Diffusion XL locally on your computer. Let's go! Step 1. Installing Python and Git. First, we have to download Python and Git. By the way, all the links and future additional information will be in the description. So let's first go to the Python link. Now scroll all the way down and click on Windows Installer 64-bit. While that one is downloading, let's go to the Git link. Now click 64-bit Git for Windows setup, so it will be downloaded. Look at that. Now we got the Python and Git installer on our computer. Let's create a separate folder where we put these two inside to keep things nice and organized. Now let's first install Python. Just click on the installer and let it run. Now that that is finished, let's click the Git installer and let's run it. Also, just copy what I do and don't modify anything. And don't mind my pet monkey, he's just having some fun in the background. Now that we have these two installed, it is time for the next step. Step 2. Installing Stable Diffusion. Click on the folder path and type CMD, and then press enter. Now you will feel like a real computer nerd or a hacker. All jokes aside. Now here we have to paste in the text which is in the description. Git clone https://github.com/automatic1111/Stable Diffusion webui. Paste it in there and then press enter. Now wait a few seconds. Look at that. It created a new folder called Stable Diffusion Web UI, and it contains a lot of new files. But don't worry, we only need this file named Web UI User Batch file. Now click on it and it will download Stable Diffusion automatically. It will take around 10 to 15 minutes to finish. I will speed it up for you, so you don't have to wait the full 10 minutes. I invited someone to the video. Guess who it is?
This is Elon Musk.
Thank you, Elon. Now, when everything is done, you should see a local URL. Copy that URL and paste it into your web browser, and then hit enter. It can be done in any web browser. And there it is, you officially have Stable Diffusion. You can start and create any image you desire. Just type a text in the prompt box and click Generate. You can also add a negative prompt for things you do not want to have included in your image. Down left, you can change the dimensions. But that's not it. This is the old version of Stable Diffusion. I want to show you how you can even make more professional images by adding Stable Diffusion XL. So let's go to the next step. Step 3. Installing new models. Now let's add Stable Diffusion XL 1.0 to our models. Click the SDXL 1.0 base link in the description, and it will take you to this Hugging Face website. Click on the tab that says Files and Versions. Now here you have to scroll down and download the file named SDXL Base 1.00.9 VAE Safe Tensors. Click that little download button. Now while that is downloading, let's also download the Stable Diffusion Refiner model, which is very useful to have. Click on the SDXL 1.0 Refiner link. Then go to Files and Versions and download the file named SDXL Refiner 1.00.9 VAE Safe Tensors. It will take some time till all of them are downloaded. When they are ready, select the two files and press right-click and then click Cut. Then open your Stable Diffusion folder. Then go to Models. Then click Stable Diffusion. And then press right-click and paste the files into that folder, or press Ctrl-V like I did here. Now let's head back to our Stable Diffusion interface. To activate the new models, we just have to click that blue refresh button, which is located on the left. And then select the model you desire from the list. And now you can use Stable Diffusion XL. If you want more amazing models, there is an amazing website where the community posts a lot of models that you can use. The website is called Civit AI, and the process is the same. Just download any model, then cut and paste the file into that models folder. Then refresh the list, and you can select your new model. Step 4. Adding extensions. Let's give our Stable Diffusion some superpowers by adding the ControlNet extension. It is an amazing tool which gives you the control to manipulate your generations. Click on the Extensions tab. Then click on Available. Now click the Load From button. All the extensions will be loaded below. Now type in the search bar ControlNet. Scroll a bit down. Find the SD Web UI ControlNet Manipulation extension, and then click on the Install button. Now for the next extension, we want to add some aspect ratio buttons. Go to the search bar and type Ratio. Now look for Aspect Ratio Selector Plus and download it. To add it to your interface, we have to go to Installed and then click Apply and Restart Web UI. And look at that. Step 5. Extra tips. Here I want to show you some arguments you can use to make the image generation even better. If you haven't already, go and download Notepad++. Go to the Notepad++ website and download the latest version. Now run the installer. With this tool, we can edit some code. When you have the program, then right-click on the Web UI user file, and then click on Edit with Notepad++. Now after the command line, you have to type --xformers. This will make the image generation better. Next, if you want a dark theme Stable Diffusion interface, type --theme dark. And last but not least, add the following --auto launch. This will make sure that the web UI automatically starts Stable Diffusion. It is a real lifesaver. Now press save and you are good to go. If you want to update Stable Diffusion, all you need to do is go to the Stable Diffusion folder, then type CMD and then press enter. And now here, in the prompt windows, you have to type git pull and also press enter. Now it will update your Stable Diffusion when there is an update available. And that's it. Lemonheads. Many thanks to AI Trepreneur for the help. It is really amazing. I hope you learned how to do it yourself now. Have a lot of fun and generate some amazing images. Join the AI revolution. And don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye.
Yeah. listeners, Elon Musk.